Hey guys, so just touching base regarding the Premier Sporting Challenge, which is supposed to take part during term three or term two. In regards to that, seeing as it will look a little different due to the circumstances at the moment, we do have until the end of term three to complete the Premier Sporting Challenge. So I'm going to hold off on running that until the beginning of term three, which hopefully classes in school might be back to semi-normal because it will be easier to do with everyone at school at the same time, keeping track of their logbooks all together. So I'll stay tuned and I'll give you guys more information on how that will look. I'm in the middle of registering the classes for that. So I just wanted to talk you guys through something else that was put out to us. So it's a Getactive at Home program. So the department have put this together. The school sport unit has created a range of digital resources to support you guys and parents at home in helping keep our kids active at home during this time. So each week, 10 episodes will be put out. Sorry, 10 episodes over the whole course of the term at Get Active at Home. So the videos will be released on the department's website. So for students to watch and following along with either at home or in the classroom if they're on site. So 5 episodes will target early stage 1 and stage 1 students, and the other 5 episodes will target our primary kids, so stage 2 and 3. So these videos are set to be highly engaging for our students and will focus on locomotive and non-locomotive movements. So you could pop them in as your PDHPE activity for that week. The videos go for around 17, 18 minutes, under 20 minutes. So they're good activities to chuck the link in your Seesaw or your Google Classroom once a week as that fitness activity, or you could just use it as a brain break or whatever you guys like. So if you scroll down, and I'll put the link in the post of this video, there's a few, and I know I posted a few weeks ago, but yeah, they're continually releasing some each week. So if you haven't used any of these ones, chuck the link onto your classroom or whatever platform you are using for your students to use at home. There are also other different resources and things you can look at on the website as well, and other ideas for you guys to use. So I'll put the link on here for you guys to use.